Here's a little demo of the Range Rover Evoque. We've done the Autowatch Ghost 2 Immobiliser. I'm just going to show you what we do different over your normal installer. So a normal installer would do this where the vehicle would start, you would select gear, but it would keep the ignition on, it would stay in drive and the handbrake off. And because we're on a bit of a hill, this would roll away and it would do a lot of damage. So this is what we do differently. Vehicle will start, but as we select gear, completely kills it, puts it back into park, puts the handbrake off and shuts it all down. So it's doing three things. So I'll just show you that again. Vehicle will start. As soon as we select gear, handbrake on, back into park, no rolling away. So this is what we do different to your normal installers. So this is the Autowatch Ghost. So you've probably seen many videos, but all you do is, obviously now at this stage, you'll need to enter your code. The vehicle's running. So if I just enter the customer's demo code, we'll get 2 flashes of the hazards. Now we can select gear nice and safely. As soon as you switch it off, 5 seconds later, automatically rearms. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.